Lot F200 is a 1963 Plymouth Savoy Max Wedge with a 426 cubic inch Max Wedge V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. And the highlights are Stage 2 dual quad 426 cubic inch Max Wedge V8 engine, high compression ratio of 13.5 to 1, T85 3-speed manual transmission, red with alabaster interior, documented and listed in the Darrell Davis book of Superstock Max Wedges, previously from the collection of Don Fezzle, NHRA driver, Concours restoration back to original specs at an estimated cost of $122,524. Restoration completed in 2018. Restoration receipts, owner's manual, and dealer color brochure included. And this one was pulled from the auction for some reason. I'm not exactly sure why, but it's no longer on the Mecum website even. But I filmed it back in October of 2025 at the Mecum Dallas Fort Worth auction and took some pictures of it. And good thing I did, because this is one rare car, that's for sure. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.